Welcome back Tech Farm. Your Techsys is in the house and today we'll be talking about C tokens. Alright, so what are C tokens? C tokens are basically the building blocks of a C language. Alright, they are the building blocks of C language. Alright, these are like the smallest individual unit. Smallest unit in a C program. Alright, this means that a C program is constructed with these blocks. Think of it like a construction blocks. Alright, it is constructed with these blocks. There are mainly six types of C tokens, and they are: first one, keywords, next is variables, third one is constants, fourth one is strings, fifth one is special characters, and the last one is operators. So this is an introductory video of C tokens. I hope you understand. I'll be explaining these 6 C tokens separately in my other videos. Thank you for watching. I know this is a very short video and I hope you understand what these are. See you in the next videos.